Hello everyone, good day and welcome to Harmless TV. Yeah, my lovely Naija people. Another one don see dey happen again o. One we go like to see let una know. This one so dey happen for Benin, Edo State. Dem don dey let us dey know now say for the Naija police don dey pack many people o. Dem say dem dey pack dem for street, for road, for everywhere. Whether the ones wey commit o, whether na the ones wey no commit o, innocent o, dem dey pack all of dem join am so. For inside this matter so, dem don dey let us dey know now say many prisoners when e be say dem escape for Benin City there for Oko prison for Edo State, dem say dem don catch many of dem back o. And wetin come dey surprise us now be say for inside the prisoners when e be say dem escape for Oko prison, Oko correctional center, so dem say one boy for inside wey escape for that prison, dem say immediately that boy reach house he go kill him neighbor again o. Dem say that him neighbor na him testify for inside court, na him tell judge say yes, this boy do the thing, na him make dem carry that boy go prison. Dem say that boy wey testify so, as this other boy come out for prison so, when all of them escape, dem say he go house straight to that him neighbor that very day. Dem say na so he kill am o. No be small thing my people. Na him we come dey ask say how manage when e be say you wey don see free from prison, you don run comot for prison, wetin go make you go dey keep person again? Because all those people when dey house, everybody dey voice for this endsars wahala when e be say you get opportunity dey come out for there. So you no suppose to still go back to still go dey keep people na. Abi na someone like to go prison? Because I no understand. You do something before you go prison, now you come out you go still do the one when worse join am so that matter e get as e be. Now dem come still dey let us say say many people wey come out for inside that prison so say many things dey happen o. Say even one group of 3 boys so na so those ones dem come still go rob o. Dem say dem go snatch one Lexus stop utility vehicle, abi wetin dem dey call am SUV. Dem say dem go snatch motor, dem go snatch Lexus motor. 3 people, dem say the 3 of them meet theirself for inside the same prison. Another set of 2 people again, dem say these 2 people dem come go steal a Toyota Camry car. Na Toyota Camry car jeep na dem still go carry again, still go thief again o. Make una for see say na all those kind bad things so na im spoil all this protest. So when e be say people dey protest normally without any problem, how manage when e be say no come out for prison again, come still go dey thief, bad thing come full for the town, they go dey break houses, they do many things. All those things go still give the police people power to still come dey subdue una na. And now wetin come dey happen now, if you look around now you go see say police now they don get double power now, come see dey arrest people now. And this time now they come back with double force. Una know the thing when I do to them the time when e be say they fuck up. Una do many things to the police people. Now una no go still maintain all those in a good way, una good voice when I carry come and say una come fight for the country to better. Why you come be say na come out for the country to better, but now come still come dey worsen the country now? This thing now don give police people power. If you see wetin they do now for all around now, they don dey catch people back. They catch the ones wey be say they bus station, they do this one, they do this one, they thief, they do this one. Even people wey run for prison, they don dey catch all of them back. So how we go take judge am now? When e come be say na when e be say na still come out for prison, instead one na go still come dey continue with good life, with better mind, so that the Nigeria go better for everybody. Una still go back to the bad thing wey they do before again. You see, that is why e come be like say the matter e no just join, na make everything just scatter from everywhere. This protest just spoil finish because of bad thing. You understand? Because of bad thing when e be say the government and the people they come dey do together. Because not be only the government, the people still dey inside. Because instead of them to hold their town now, make their town for be better place, they go still come dey spoil the town. E no good. E get as e be for the people now when e be say they escape for prison. They too plenty for Edo prison there 1,993 people now they escape, and the police say they find many of them now. Say now only 170 something people now they don't get. Say 1,818 people they still there on the run. So how they take go to the beg one? Say I beg. Why na come be say na too like prison? Na im make dem dey fear say people wey escape for prison dem still go back go dey do the bad thing. And una no suppose to dey do this bad thing again na. Una suppose to wash una hands comot for inside bad matter so. Una suppose to clean una hands comot for all this killing and all this thief. Because na all this thing na im bring the SARS problem first of all. Na because of killings everywhere. Na im make SARS police come get advantage. They come dey kill people. Say dem too dey still turn to the armed robbers. They still turn to the criminals again. Come join una dey spoil the country more. The country don pudri finish now, when be say everything don rot ten finish now. Una come dey use am dey rob common man. People still come out now say make dem still make the country better, but that one no still reach una. Una still come dey do another bad thing join am. Now make una see now say the police people wey the whole world dey say dem no good, now police don get power again now, because we different from una. Now no different no dey from una. Abeg I dey use God take dey beg una, make una mellow down, because na the betterness of our country now we need. No be for us to come dey see thief and killers everywhere. Even police now na bad person, soldier na bad person, government na bad person, human being again na boss. Abeg wetin where we wan go now? How we wan take leave that land? So e get as e be. Make na try change. I dey beg una, no matter the tribe, the place where you for come, no matter the village or the language wey you dey speak, make na try talk to una people, so that the Nigeria go better, Africa go better, everywhere go better for person to put in head now. Na be this one wey na dey do now, when e come be say everybody go go dey fear, dey come una place, dey step in foot for una country because of bad thing wey dey there. Abeg make una change now, so that the government too go fit still change, because if una no change from all this bad thing now, the government dey go still dey worsen everything for us. Abeg make una let the common men make dem survive for this life. I tell God beg una, abeg make una make sure say una send this message to una people, make una lead down beg dem say make dem stop all this thief and killing when e be say dey for the land, so that our people go rest now. So that who chop small food, even though say no even see food chop, even though na garri so come na groundnut e chop, e go still relax well, e go still sleep well. We thank God take beg una, so all this killing is too much. How we come dey complain of all these ones now? We for our own town, for our own country, for our own continent. What if na oyibo? Una do well, I rest my case.
It's Melody Song.